Hey guys, today let's learn how to edit a photo using Canva's Magic Edit. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use the Canva Magic Edit, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to use this, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do first in order for us to use Magic Edit is of course to log into our preferred Canva accounts, choose your preferred Canva design, and then the next step is to import of course your necessary files on your design. Now once this is done, I want you to tap on the photo, tap on edit photo, and then over here we have the option to use the Magic Edit. So just go ahead and tap on that, and what this should show you is the option to brush over the image that you want to go ahead and remove, or let's say you want to go ahead and just edit. So in this example, let's say I want to go ahead and add a carousel just around here or on this location. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this location right here, just a quick circle. And let's also expand that a little more. And the type of carousel that I want to go ahead and add is going to be on the foreground. Not on the background, but on the foreground. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this real quick. All right, that's going to be good for me. The next step is to tap on continue. And then let's say that I want to go ahead and add a carousel as a foreground to the image. Now let's go ahead and tap on generate. And let's see what the specific result that Canva's Magic Design is going to give us. You could actually choose from 4 different options. And it's also going to give you some options as well. Basically 4 different options to choose from. And whichever one you choose, of course, that's going to depend on you on what you like best. So we have a few options right here, and I think the first one is going to be the best one, and I'm going to go ahead and choose that right now. So as you notice, we have a carousel right here, a few carousels actually, and I think I'm very satisfied with what Canva did on this example, and I'm going to go ahead and just tap on done, and that's how you guys could easily use Canva Magic Edit. Just go ahead and be creative and basically use Canva Magic Edit with your designs to do simple edits on your photo. Now that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.